welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for joining me. Okay, so this is a very quick video just showing you how to put on a duvet cover in the quickest way and in the easiest way, in my opinion. I think for the majority this is going to be the easiest way. If you find it really difficult to put duvets on for whatever reason, then there may be a different way. I have seen a kind of roll version. This is probably the most standard way, and this is how I put duvets on myself with clients and how I show clients as well. Hopefully this will be helpful to you. This is all I'm showing you, nothing else. So just how to put a duvet cover on. For reference, this is a Super King bed, so it's quite large. I have just put the sheet on. No, I don't have time to iron my sheets, sorry. So what you want to do is put the duvet flat on the bed, and you want the label at that end, which might sound strange. Basically, you want it at that end because when we put the duvet cover on, that end will end up at this end, so you don't want the label in your face. Once you've got it in the right place on the bed, you want to get your duvet cover. No, I haven't ironed this. I am far too busy to iron bedding. You want to put the duvet cover in the similar position, just flat on the bed, and you want it to be inside out. When I strip the bed, I pull it off and I just leave it inside out because then it washes, and then once it's dry, it's already inside out. I don't have to inside out it. So the reason you want it to be inside out is because in a second, we're gonna go into it. Find the open end, and then basically you want to pull it down to find the corners, and then you want to look like a big ghost, like this. So you've got the corners of the other end in your two hands. Then you want to grab the bottom ends and then simply just flick it over, and then kind of shake it about. And then you just want to go round, keeping hold of that bit, and then find the corner at the top here. It's a bit of a funny one because it's buttons. Putting duvet covers on smaller beds is a lot easier. Single beds are obviously the easiest because they're smaller, but especially when you have a big Super King bed where it's almost as wide as it is long, it can be quite tricky to know which way around the duvet is and, you know, if it's in the right place. So now the duvet is on, we just want to flip it round so that the buttons or the zip or the poppers are at the bottom, not by your head. And then that's it. You just then want to do the buttons up. I always feel like doing the buttons up takes longer than actually putting the duvet cover on the bed. So now you can see that the duvet label is at the bottom, which is exactly what you want because you don't want that to pop out and poke you in the face while you're trying to sleep. And then that's it. And then you just make your bed as normal. I've already put the pillowcases and things on. Something else I also like to do is whenever I change the bedding, which is usually once a week, usually on a Sunday or a Monday, but it's actually Saturday today, I like to strip the bed, wash it, and put the new bedding on in the morning so that I don't have the dreaded task to do in the evening when I'm very tired after the day. So that's another little tip. If it's something that you hate doing, I won't lie, putting new bedding on is not my favourite task in the world. I much prefer lots of other things than putting new bedding on, but it is lovely when it's done. Don't you just think getting into a fresh bed is, oh, heaven. Simple pleasures. And there you have it, the made bed. So if you found this video useful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more organisation decluttering tips and real life decluttering in action from me. I usually put out one vlog style video per week, if not two, and I also occasionally do short videos like this just showing you a little how-to for anything to do with home organisation. Have a lovely evening, bye!